Right, here we come to the elevator at Bluebell Creamery Factory in Brenham, Texas. Look at this elevator mural right here. I absolutely love the mural. You might remember this elevator filmed back in late 2021. So here is an updated take of this elevator here. Drops of Jupiter by Train is playing. 2. Drops of Jupiter by Train, but we're not dropping any Jupiters. Let's close it up before I get copyrighted. Close up there, family taking pictures, so I don't want to serve them. Anyways, these are your fixtures. They're ThyssenKrupp Signa4 fixtures installed in 2011. Some of these floor buttons have been replaced, probably because they push them a lot more often than these. Anyways, let's hear this motor. Starts with a big bump. Let's go back down G in there. This is a much better video since I was here with my group of friends the last time going on a retreat. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exit because people are gonna get on. All right, there it goes, and that's it.